in this game that we're going to play, we're going to be segmenting sentences. All right, Kelsey, you think you can help me? You want to play? Okay, when we segment a sentence, that means we take it apart. A sentence is made up of words, right? And so we're going to take that sentence apart to find out how many words are in that sentence, okay? All right, and this is how we're going to play. You have a little mat here in front of you. The green is where you start. The red is where you end. So you have 5 little counters. You're going to take your counters and put them at the end of each line, just like that. Now, I'm going to tell you a sentence, okay? I'm going to say, I like dogs. Everybody say that. I like dogs. Now let's slow it down so we can hear every word, Kelsey. Are you ready? Say, I like dogs. Now this is what we're going to do. For every word we hear, we're going to move our counter up so we can see how many words are in the sentence, okay? All right, so let's say the sentence together. I like dogs. How many words are in that sentence? 3. I like dogs. 3. Very good. And then I'm going to tell you to reset. We're going to move them back down here close to us, and we're going to say another sentence. You ready to play? Okay, because I'm going to see how smart you are. All right, can you take your counters out and put them at the bottom there for me, please? All right, are you ready? Okay. This sentence is, my mom is nice. What's the sentence? My mom is nice. Now let's say it really slow. My mom is nice. Now get ready. Start at the green and move one for every word you hear. Ready? My mom is nice. How many words? 4. Touch each one and let's say the sentence. My mom is nice. 4 words are in that sentence. Good. Reset. All right, let's see. Here's another sentence. I like to dance. What's the sentence? I like to dance. Okay, let's say it really slow. I like to dance. Kelsey, can you say that for us? I like to dance. Okay, now before you move your counters, I'm going to close my eyes because I want to be surprised and see if everybody got it right. Are you ready? Okay, get ready to move your counters. Here we go. Say the sentence. I like to dance. How many words? 4. Oh, awesome. You all got it right. Let's say it together. Put your finger on the first dot. Ready? I like to dance. Very good. Do your counters back. Let's reset and let's do one more. Here's a really hard one. You think you can do this one? Okay, this is our last one, so make it good. I went to the store. Say that. I went to the store. Let's slow it down because that's a long sentence. Ready? I went to the store. All right, you ready? Okay, here we go. Move a counter for every word. I went to the store. How many words? 5. Oh, and everybody got it right. Let's say the sentence together. Ready? Touch the dots. I went to the store. Thumbs up to everybody. Everybody did an awesome job. We'll put this game in one of our work centers, and you can work on it with friends, and you can make up your own sentences. Does that sound good? Yeah. Yes, yay.